American software and technology. In minutes, global markets plunge, erasing trillions from valuations. Stocks from Shanghai to Wall Street are tumbling. Currencies wobble and billionaires who sold early quietly walked away while Main Street panicked. This crisis is not economic only, it's strategic. China controls roughly 70% of rare earth mining and over 90% of processing capacity, the invisible backbone of modern tech and defense. Without these elements, chips, batteries, and critical artificial intelligence hardware cannot be finished. America cannot throttle chips, but China holds the material that make the chips useful. That's a chokehold that changes the rules of war in the 21st century. Nations now face a brutal calculus. Which side will you choose? Align with the US and face crippling tariffs and sanctions. Side with China and risk economic retaliation or political isolation from Washington. Smaller nations, emerging markets, and global supply chains all stand to be collateral. Economies will fracture, trade routes will reroute, and entire industries must reinvent overnight. Beyond tariff, geopolitical cards are being played. Port access, military bases, and rare earth deals are suddenly strategic bargaining chips. China is deepening resource partnership across Asia and beyond. Washington doubles down on export control and trade weaponry. The competition goes beyond commerce. It is a systematic contest for technological dominance, security, and influence. Thank you. For investors and families, the math is painful. Rapid market crashes can wipe out fortunes and pensions. Currencies, commodities, and cryptocurrencies may all experience violent swings. Governments will likely announce emergency measures, capital controls, and protectionist policies. Expect supply shortage, price spikes, and a scramble for alternative sources of critical minerals.